I'm Ian Gonsenhauser, Chief Quality and Patient Safety Officer of The Ohio State University Wexner Medical Center. A year ago at this time, we were witnessing the emergence of a new pathogen that would come to be known as COVID-19 and would cause a once-in-a-century global pandemic. We've learned a lot about COVID-19 over the past 6 months. There's still much to learn, but one thing that we know for sure is that this year's holiday season, both fall and winter, is going to look quite a bit different than that which we've experienced before. We've experienced a handful of summer holidays during COVID, and we've approached those holidays a bit differently than we would have in the past. The big thing that separates those summer holidays from the fall and winter holidays to come is that we were able to manage those celebrations out of doors. As we head indoors for the winter and we prepare to celebrate in these fall and winter months, we really have to approach these celebrations with an extra measure of caution. For those previous holidays, we've been stressing the importance of mask use, social distance, hand hygiene, and crowd size control. As we move into these indoor celebrations, all of those precautions are still just as important. Of added importance now is a focus on crowd size, social distancing, and ventilation in the space where you may be holding a celebration. The safest way to approach your holiday celebration is by limiting your in-person gathering to your household contacts. If you want to add friends and family to the celebration, do so using virtual means. When it comes to holiday shopping this year, online is your best bet as a way of avoiding any crowds in stores or shopping centers. Lastly, try and avoid crowded situations like crowded sporting events, parades, movie theaters, or crowded restaurants. If you need to travel for the holidays, your best bet when it comes to COVID exposure is still to travel by car. Whether or not you need to quarantine is going to be determined by where you're traveling from, where you're traveling to, and the recommendations of the local health authorities in both locations. When it comes to traveling by plane, if you must, mask up at all times. If you're planning to have a COVID-19 test prior to traveling, please remember that a negative test doesn't mean you can avoid following these precautions. Hand hygiene, social distancing, and mask use all work together to protect us and our loved ones so that we can enjoy these holidays and move forward with care, not fear.